Zoom on that ugly one. Ew.
Look at us looking at the swans in the bay. So cute.
Quack, quack.
So we just came out of school. We're not going to tell you which school, but you'll probably guess which one it is because they live around us. But
Okay,
look at that one. It was just wagging its tail.
Now you go quack,
And there's
quack.
leaf falling. That was so cool.
Dina, quack, quack, quack. Okay, got time.
See, it's wagging its tail.
Where? I don't see.
Look at it's wagging its tail.
Dina, quack, quack.
Yeah, look at this. Yeah, we're making like swan sounds, so we can try to like get them to come here. But sometimes it works. Okay. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Adina?
Yeah?
Those are ugly birds.
They're not ugly.
Okay.
Oh, it's much easier to see it like that.
Adina, now I'll take a picture of you running and throwing a stick at the birds. One of mine, they're all left.
No.
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
We're getting some like really cool shots. Look at the pretty clouds.
Wait, Adina, we can throw a cookie at them. I have cookies.
Wait, I'm getting this one bird flying.
Do you want me to throw a cookie at them?
No.
Look, I have cookies. Could you pause it?
No.
I'm gonna get a cookie.
I'm trying to sing.
Dina, look. Cookies. Dina, I got the cookies. What's the cookies? Dina, look, I got cookies. Dina, zoom in the cookie wrapper.
Wait.
Zoom in.
I'm getting a really cool video right now.
Okay, zoom in on the cookie. The cookie, Adina. Adina, look, I'm gonna throw a cookie at them. Zoom down.
Wait. Oh, I want a cookie.
Okay, Adina, I'm gonna feed the birds, okay? Come over here.